You don't ever see somebody sleep like this? Have you guys ever seen somebody sleep like this? Yes guys, this is work. Braven, come here. Come here, Braven. Come look how this boy is sleeping. Get the tape. Get the tape. Guys, welcome back to another video. So, yesterday we taped him up. You see how him go on and fly out tight. So today he must sleep. So today I'm going to show him what is tape up. Right, that's up. May I show him what is tape? Come here. Come here. Look at my sleep. Somebody got sleep.
So I can lie down.
No, somebody can sleep anyhow, you know?
No.
He taped me up yesterday. It's for you too. Get to work. Taping foot them. Go. Let me do it. Hold the camera, baby. Hold the camera. Mr. T, hold the camera. Guys, I'm getting him, guys. Guys, you see what he did yesterday? Get him, guys. Yes, guys, we got him back, guys. You hear my tag? You hear my remote? I wake up before you got me. Let me rewind.
I go in there because I knew he was going to end up waking up.
Yeah, too close.
No, he just woke up.
So, let's put him on the bed. Hold this. On the your bed, the couch. Enjoy your sleep, boy. So guys, this is Mario Party. Yes guys, we're gonna cut him out, don't worry.
Yeah guys, this is just
say Team Cargodas and Team
Mr. Tegan.
Mr. Tegan. Because guess what? We got him. But I wake up before. Watch him still asleep. Did you hear you just say in the camera, I wake up before? Say hi to the camera.
No.
You not say hi?
I was playing hi.
Say hi. Say Team Cargodas. And Team Mr. Tegan.
Say he mad right now.
Yes guys, thank you for watching our video. Yes guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. What should we do to him guys? Should we carry him outside and put him down? What should we do to him guys? What should we do? Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, we are about, what we gonna do, man? We're gonna tape him to the bed. We're gonna tape him at time to the bed. this is a revenge because he always cheating me whenever we're doing a challenge, a sit down challenge. So guys, he just farted. Guys, the challenge failed. Guys, he farted in our face.
Yeah, fart.
Guys,
We trying to take the next thing we hear.
oh god. Guys, we tried.
Seriously, it hurts so bad. No, stop. Stop.
Guys, we tried. So,
Dumb cells.
guys, sorry we are so easy. Guys, this boy don't sit dead. If he was the next one, this boy fart in my face. For real,
You
no?
deserve it.
Me say him like what fart in my face. And
She deserves it, guy.
Team Kurgudas. Well, the prank failed. Anyway, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, Mari. I'm smelling that. This boy run gone back to the game. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video because we're gonna have a lot more bangers. I have to get him, you know, guys. I have to get him. Comment.
Comment Mr. T Game down below, please.
Guys, Team Kurgudas all day, every day. Mari, the prank failed. Well, it wasn't a prank.
Farted, go hard, made us laugh.
Trust me, the video catch the... Guys, did y'all catch that fort? Comment down below if y'all catch that fort. Comment down below if y'all catch that fort. Whew.